So, hi everyone, I'm here with Manish from U.com at DevRelCon Bangalore. So, hi Manish, do you mind giving a very quick introduction about yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, hey everyone, I'm Manish. I basically manage developer community programs and growth at U.com. So, what is U.com? U.com is an productivity engine. So, millions of users rely on our platform for accurate and cited answers, and then we provide you with enhanced user capabilities and access to all the LLMs in the world. So, yeah, that's a quick introduction about me and what U.com does.
Yeah. So you mentioned about LLMs, right? So of course, a lot of companies today are working in the generative AI and especially these days in the agentic AI workflows. Because I think agentic AI is one capability that allows you to automate a lot of different tasks. So do you mind sharing what you or U.com is doing with agentic workflows and what are your views on open source landscape for agents?
Yeah, sure, definitely. So I think when we first started back in 2016, when ChatGPT came into being, and then ChatGPT came into single transformer base. So it's it will provide you questions based on your answers. But then we switched from single transformer to multi-language transformer base. So it's AI is now capable of answering multi-modal questions as well. So it can write code, it can generate images, and it can do market research all in the same format. So that we have seen a shift from just going to a single model LLM to a multi-modal LLM. And then AI agents, I think they are gonna run all over the place. And I think there was a recent interview with Gary Tan from YC as well, that they are gonna open a pool of $300 billion opportunity in SaaS industries. So basically, what does it mean? I think for now what you're doing is you are doing everything manually, you're doing your work manually. But what if AI reduce half of your work? What if you can just provide personalization and custom instructions to AI, and it will do half of your work? There's an interesting thought, interesting aspect of this, which CTO Brian McKayam, he said AI agents are gonna replace most of your time, and it will make you more productive. So it's we can envision a future where we just need to put in custom prompts, custom instruction, and then it will do all the work in the background, and then you just need to wake up in the morning, and then you need to just click accept or reject, and then your work is done, and then you can focus on the more broader vision, and then you can make your life enhance and your user life enhance as well.
Yeah. And as you very rightly mentioned, that LLMs and both the agentic workflows, AIs or agent AIs, they play a massive role going forward. So of course, the other aspect of this is deployments, because deploying these AI systems can be very complex for a lot of different teams. So for example, if you look at the entire machine learning landscape, it is very fragmented. You have different components of machine learning systems being occupying different spaces. For example, your dataset might be in a data lake, your models might be in an S3 bucket, or your source code or your Jupyter notebook might be in a GitHub repository. So especially if you're having more complex workflows, having different fragments and storing them in different locations makes it very complex to manage your resources. And that's where products like KitOps as an open source product, where you can basically just use OCI compliant registry and package together all of your different AI components into one single OCI compliant format, and so that makes it very easy for you to manage your AI resources and deploy them in different regions. So I think a very similar approach might also be being leveraged by U.com, so that you can manage your deployment of the LLMs and the workflows that you're running for powering U.com. So I think that's one of the major features, and I'm really looking forward to seeing that how agentic AI adoption actually grows within companies. So thank you so much, Manish. It was wonderful talking to you.
Yeah, definitely. And so one last point I want to add to is when we talk about deployments, ML deployments, LLM deployments. So for now, I think everything is going manual. But moving forward, we can see Anthropic has released their computer API use cases. And then I think at the start of the year, computer was on 3% SWE benchmark, and now they are on the 50% SWE benchmark. So what it does mean is you can definitely automate LLM deployments and remove all the clutterness from it. But it's just 50% there. Maybe within coming 3 to 4 years, we can maybe go 80 to 90%, which is on human level intelligence. And then we can see, okay, companies don't have to worry about manual deployments, or they don't have to use different resources, allocate different budget to it, and then they can just automate it with LLMs. And I think similar prospect goes to each and every aspect of your field. So it is like, we are making you more productive, so you can really focus on the like real works, and then you can use AI for your leverage and like make your life more productive. So yeah, it was nice like chatting with you, and thanks for having me.